Are you in the market for an awesome great tempered glass screen protector for your iPhones which is easy to install, is resistant to drops and scratches, is case friendly, and the best part is that the display on your iPhone is going to be in mint condition. There is no loss in clarity, high definition display. The touch sensitivity is exactly the same as it would be without a tempered glass screen protector. Then you need to have a look at the one from SmartDevil. So inside the box you get your instruction manual on how to install this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector. Then you have three of the film installation toolkit, and you have three tempered glass screen protectors. Two will be inside this foam bag and one is already installed and set up for you on this jig which they have for the SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector for your iPhones. Now, just in case you do not have your tempered glass screen protector installed in this frame, how do you do that? Well, so here it is. This is the side which is going to face you. And if you have a look at the jig itself, you will see the word top. So here it is. It says top over here. And this side also says top. So all you need to do is take this arrow and we're going to slide it on the bottom over here where it says push. So I'm holding the jig towards me. So this is the part which will attach on the frame of the iPhone, but this is facing me right now. And then for the tempered glass screen protector, the top side is facing down towards the table and it is towards the top. So I'm going to push this arrow down here, and then we are going to line this tempered glass screen protector up inside this frame. And here it is. You can see we have lined it up, and then you have these two slots over here, and you need to push these inside here so that the tempered glass screen protector is safe and secure inside this frame and it is not moving. So there it is. You can see I have secured the SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone inside this frame. Top is here, this is top over here matching, and the text is facing towards me. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to open this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector installation kit. And in here we have a dry microfiber cloth, then you have your wet wipes, and you also have your dust absorbing stickers. And then we're going to use all of these three. First of all, we're going to use the wet wipes to clean the display of our iPhone. Then we're going to use the microfiber cloth over here to make the display dry, and then in the end we're going to use our dust absorbing stickers to make sure there are no dust particles left on the display of our iPhone over here. Now once we've cleaned up the display of our iPhone, made sure there are no dust particles, we're going to take our SmartDevil tempered glass installation jig, place the top, line it up with the top of the iPhone, and then push it into place, and then press on both sides. And next step, you're going to pull this little tab with the down arrow, pull it down while keeping the pressure applied. And once you have pulled out the tab completely, you will notice the glue going all the way up towards the top of the iPhone, and at this point you have successfully installed the SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector onto your iPhone. Now once that is done, we're going to press down with one finger and try to lift the SmartDevil installation frame from the bottom, and then peel off the top protective layer from your SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector. And there it is, a super duper easy install of a screen protector on your iPhone. And there it is. You can see on your screen right now, everything was super smooth. The quality here is great. There were no air bubbles. Everything lines up pretty good. In case you do get any air bubbles, feel free to push them out towards the edge of your iPhone, and that is one way of getting rid of any air bubbles which you might have gotten. And in case you're wondering whether this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone is case friendly or not, the answer to that is yes, this in fact is case friendly. Now as for the quality of this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector, the display is bright and crisp even after you have installed this SmartDevil screen protector on your iPhone. Viewing angles are great. As for touch sensitivity, again, no loss in touch sensitivity. Everything works like a boss. The typing experience is same even with a tempered glass screen protector installed. Do note this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector does have a oleophobic coating which prevents those fingerprint smudges. They'll be there, but they will be minimal, and it is also scratch resistant to keys and coins in your pocket. So if you are in the market for an easy to install, great quality tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone, which is going to keep the display on your iPhone in great mint condition, then do consider the one from SmartDevil.